Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somchit. Have you ever encountered when your favorite crispy snack has become stale? Today I'm going to share with you how to revive the stale snacks so that you can enjoy it again. Basically, all this is when sometimes you left it open or didn't close the bottle properly, so it becomes soft and it's not crispy and it's not enjoyable when we eat it. So just like this one, this cookie, this kueh, you see, it's very soft. When I break it, I still can hear the sound, but it's not crispy. When you eat it, you really can know that this is very soft, so it's not enjoyable. Alright, so today I have two types. One is ngaku, this is chips. This is very soft, see? You cannot hear the crispy sound at all. And eat also, not nice. I don't even want to try. Alright, and today I'm going to share with you how to revive and make it crispy again. I'm going to be using air fryer. Okay, let's do it. It is very fast and it's very easy, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with this cake. You can put it in the air fryer. So I'm just going to go and put only 8 pieces. If the cake is already soft, you only heat it up with the air fryer only when you want to eat. So otherwise it will become soft again. So this balance I'm going to keep it for the next round, and for today I'm going to eat only 8 pieces. Alright, go in the air fryer. Set the temperature for 160 and set the timing for 2 minutes. Oops, I have already put over to 5 minutes, so we're going to switch it off when it reaches 3 minutes. Okay, just 2 minutes will do. It's very fast. It has reached 3 minutes, so I'm going to switch it off. See? When you fry it again with the air fryer, right, you can see that there's the oil coming out there. It's getting hot. So we're going to take it out and put it on the oil absorbent paper. See? Once the oil comes out, it should be crispy again. Alright, I'm going to leave it here to cool down. Once it cools down, you can straight away eat it because it's very nice and crispy. For the arrowhead, right, you can just drop it in like that. How much you want to eat, you just put it in. Okay. Same thing, 160 degree and for 2 minutes. So I'm going to set the time for 2 minutes. And switch it on. Alright, 2 minutes is over. So now we can take out the arrowhead or ngaku. See? When you heat it up, right, the oil will come out. Because this kind of chips, it was fried with oil. So some that get too much heat and it's slightly burnt. So we're going to pour it on the oil absorbent paper. There you have a very nice arrowhead or ngaku chips that you can enjoy it. Do a comparison. Huh? Okay. This is the one that was soft, and this is the new one. See? The sound. And this one, look at it. Can hear the sound. I can try this one. It's very crispy. really crispy and delicious. And for this one, so I still have the one I broke just now. It's very soft, see? Can pull it out. And see this one? Look at that. See? I can try this. So delicious, so crispy. When you start, you cannot stop. So good. Alright, just a very simple technique to share. Within just 2 minutes, you can enjoy your favorite crispy chips again. This kind of method you can also use with French fry or any type of crispy food that was fried with oil. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my simple kitchen tips like this. Thank you and bye-bye.